out. This is Snowstorm by Jay Sankey. Okay. Now Michelle, I'm gonna ask you to say stop wherever you want us to stop. Okay, right there. So the card that Michelle said stop at was the Ace of Diamonds. And we'll just set that there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw something. Okay, now what I drew is actually a snow globe. Oops, sorry. And actually, if I take the snow globe and I shake it up, look. It actually gets shaken up like a real snow globe would when you shake it up. You shake it up one more time. It seems to change. And to say one card, which seems to be that Ace of Diamonds. That is Snowstorm by Jay Sankey.